Metal product industry plays a leading role in the manufacturing sector. The industry is famous for being clusters and highly efficient. However, in recent years, population aging causes labor shortage. Furthermore, this industry belongs to the so-called 3K, dirty, dangerous, labor-intensive industries. Younger generations are reluctant to join, creating severe generation gap. In addition, the ever-changing market demands a production solution with both automation and flexibility. In response to industrial challenge and transformation need, the E3 MSL releases RobotSmith, a robot with grinding and polishing functions. We provide total software and hardware solutions. In-house developed software EasySim simulates toolpath and optimizes path parameters. In-situ sensor improves process quality, and a patented positioning technology realizes cyber-physical integration.